NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do NCERT Solutions Class 8 Science Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. Important topics of this chapter are exhaustible natural resources, inexhaustible natural resources, fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Let's begin with the question answers. Question 1. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? Answer. CNG and LPG are clean fuels. They cause less pollution. They can be directly used for burning. They leave no ash or solid residue on burning. They can be easily transported through pipelines. Question 2. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing the road. Answer. These days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used for surfacing the roads. Earlier, coal tar was also used for metaling the roads. Question number 3. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? Answer. About 300 million years ago, the earth has dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. This slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Question 4. Fill in the blanks. A. Fossils fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. B. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. C. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG, compressed natural gas. Question 5. Tick true false against the following statements. A. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. The statement is false. B. CNG is more polluting fuel than petroleum. False. C. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. True. D. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. True. E. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. The statement is false. Question 6. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Answer. The amount of fossil fuels resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. So, fossil fuels are called exhaustible natural resources. Question 7. Describe characteristics and uses of coke. Answer. Characteristics of coke. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Coke is tough. Coke is porous and black in color. Uses of coke. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. It is used as a fuel for stoves and furnaces. It is used for producing water gas. Question 8. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Answer. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their body settles at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organism into petroleum and natural gas. In this diagram, petroleum and natural gas deposits are shown. Question number 9. The following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 1997. Show the data in the form of a graph. Plot shortage percentage for the years on the y-axis and the year on the x-axis. Answer. The required graph is shown in the figure. Thanks for watching the video till end.